Meow Wolf is an immersive and interactive art installation that can be found in 3 cities. The original location is in Santa Fe, New Mexico. The other 2 locations are Las Vegas, Nevada, and Denver, Colorado. In Las Vegas, you'll find Meow Wolf in Area 15, just a bit off the Strip. Stroll through 52,000 square feet of art spread over 2 stories. Each room brings a cool new experience. I've now been to both Santa Fe and Las Vegas versions. Each is quite different, but I'd recommend both. Feel free to bring kids, because they can touch everything. Be sure to like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Empty Nesters Hit the Road.